Life is filled with everything we hold dear. But have you ever wondered, when you're away or sound asleep, those invisible risks are lurking beneath the peace? A moment of negligence, an unexpected accident, or a malicious intrusion. Traditional security systems often fall short at such critical moments. Signals jammed, false alarms frequent, or even network outages. But now, an invisible intelligent defense line has been fully activated. Featuring a 100% wireless deployment, it eliminates tedious wiring. Empowered by self-developed wireless patents, it ensures unobstructed transmission of hundreds of data streams. With triple network convergence backup, it builds an uninterruptible communication lifeline. In milliseconds, the system completes the entire process from perception and decision-making to execution. On-site deterrence, remote notifications, platform linkage. Multiple defense lines respond simultaneously, neutralizing risks invisibly. The LHD-8100 whole home wireless security system safeguards not only your safety, but also your peace of mind in daily life. From intrusion detection to environmental monitoring, and from indoor to outdoor protection, we deliver a comprehensive, highly reliable, and truly intelligent one-stop security solution. LHD-8100, your invisible guardian by your side.